Functions of human resource management. Functions of human resource management is broadly classified into managerial functions and operative functions. Managerial functions are planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. These are the managerial functions performed by the top level managers. And then operative functions are classified into first one, procurement, second one, development, third one, compensation, next one, integration, and last one, maintenance. Operative functions are directly related with the workers or employees in the organization. Operative functions are procurement, development, compensation, integration, and maintenance. We know that managerial functions are performed by the top level management. It consists of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Planning is the primary function of the management. Planning is the intellectual process of thinking before doing. Organizing means bringing together different factors of production. Directing means management in action. And last one, controlling. Controlling is the process of establishing standard performance and then measuring the actual performance and then comparing the actual performance with the standard performance. If there is any deviation, to take remedial action or to take corrective action. And then operative functions, first one, procurement function. Procurement means acquisition of the manpower in the organization. It consists of first one, job analysis. Job analysis is the process of studying and collecting information relating to the operations and responsibilities of a specific job. There are two products of job analysis: a job description and job specification. These are the two products of job analysis. Job description is a detailed statement which describes the entire aspect of the job. It is the first and immediate product of job analysis. Job specification is the minimum acceptable human qualities that are required for the proper performance of the job. And then next one, manpower planning. It is otherwise known as human resource planning. It is the process of determining the quantitative and qualitative requirements of the manpower in the organization. In other words, it is the process of determining the current and future manpower requirements in the organization. Current manpower is known as manpower inventory and future manpower is known as manpower forecasting. Manpower forecasting is the process of determining the future manpower requirements in the organization. And then next one, recruitment. Recruitment is the process of searching prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for the job in the organization. It is a positive process. There are different sources of recruitment, mainly classified into two: internal sources and external sources. Internal sources are those sources within the organization. They are transfer, promotion, recalling of laid-off employees. And then external sources are those sources that are outside the organization. advertisement, employment exchange, factory gate recruitment, unsolicited applicants, etc. are the external source of recruitment. And then next one, selection. Selection is the process of identifying the most suitable candidate among the list of the recruited person. It is a negative process. And then placement. Placement is the process of assigning a particular task to particular employee or sending newly employee to some department for doing work. And then next one, induction. It is a welcoming process to adjust with the newly selected employee, to adjust with the new work environment or familiarizing the new work environment. Then transfer. Transfer means shifting an employee from one job to another job within the organization without changing the status. Then promotion. Shifting an employee from lower position to the higher position. There are different methods of promotion. First one, merit-based promotion. Second one, seniority-based promotion. And last one, seniority cum merit-based promotion. These are the procurement functions. And then development. Development functions are, first one, performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is the process of determining the relative worth of the employees. It is also known as merit rating. And then next one, training. Training is the act of increasing the knowledge and skill of the employees for doing a specific job. And then next one, executive development. This is a training program given to the development of the executives or managers in the organization. Executive development. Last one, career planning and development. Career planning and development is similar to the growth and development of the individual employees in the organization. And the next one, compensation function. First one, job evaluation. Job evaluation is the process of determining the relative worth of the job. Next one, wage and salary administration. Wage and salary administration. Wage is given to the daily workers and salary is given to the monthly. Wage and salary administration, bonus and incentives. Incentives are the extra pay for extra performance. Incentives are the performance linked remuneration. Payroll. These are the compensation function. Compensation means remuneration to the workers in an organization. It ensures the fair and equitable remuneration to the employees. Job evaluation, wage and salary administration, bonus and incentives, payroll. And the next one, integration function. First one, motivation. Motivation is a psychological phenomenon that activates an individual to strive for success. It is an inner spirit or feeling. And then job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is a pleasurable mental attitude towards work and work environment. Then grievance and redressal, collective bargaining, Collective bargaining is the process of establishing a cordial relationship between the employer and employee. It is a bipartite settlement mechanism. Then conflict management. Workers' participation in management or participative management. Then discipline. Discipline means obeying the rules and regulations of the organization. These are the integration functions. And then last, maintenance function. Health, safety, social security, welfare schemes, personal records, personnel reserves, and last one, personnel audit. These are the maintenance function. Health, safety, social security, welfare schemes, personal records, personal audit, personal accounting, etc.